What's up guys? Gagawa tayo ngayon ng number 6 na logo. Nalagyan na natin ng base. So 3 layer na base ang ilalagay natin.
Hi guys, this is Amir Khan, 2-time World Boxing Champion. I'm here with Greg. Make sure you subscribe on his page, Greg Balloons. Alright bro, thank you bro.
So guys, ito yung number 6 natin. Foil balloons. So gagawan po natin to ng base. So gagawin natin para mag-match kasi superhero to na team. So lalagyan natin ng red, blue and yellow. So tapos lalagyan natin ng accent yung base niya. So yun, panoorin. Yan mga kalobo, sinuksan na natin. Yan. So ang gamitin natin sa paglobo para safe siya mga kalobo, itong paglobo nito, gawin natin yung pump, para hand pump, para safe ba. So, ito yung hand pump para safe yung paglobo natin. Yan, pasok nyo lang dyan. May guide naman to. Dahan-dahan nyo lang guys ha. Pag naglobo kayo nito, dahan-dahan nyo lang kasi sensitive po ito. Siyempre plastic. Baka mapunit. So mahirap. Tsaka yung iba, kasing fuel, dumidikit na sa sobrang tagal. Yan. Hindi ko Ayan. Minsan magtataka kayo kung yung paglobo niya is matigas. Hindi yun na tumatama sa butas niya. Kaya yung pag-pump mo ng ganun matigas, ibig sabihin hindi tumama yung butas. Hindi nakatama sa butas pala. So, ayan.
I'm alone, I'm alright. It's so cold outside. I'm alone, I'm alright. It's so cold outside. Down. Everybody knows I ain't faking now. Everybody knows my heart's vacant now. Yeah, she hates me now, I made mistakes but now I don't ever wanna be alone. I don't really ever feel at home. On my own, in the zone, that's the only way I know. Feeling low, about to blow back up. Here I won't ever let the doubt creep in. Gotta pop a couple more aspirin. I don't think I'll ever let you in. Easier to break it off best friends. I don't really understand myself. I don't really understand, need help. I don't wanna be left on the shelf. Couldn't even hear me if I yelled. It's so cold outside. I'm alone, I'm alright. It's so cold outside. I'm alone, I'm alright. It's so cold outside. I'm alone. Always feel like I could break now, but I never let let it take me to that place now. I won't ever let my thoughts get away now. I got better things to do, picking fate now. I just wanna be the best, call me great now. I don't know if I'm okay or insane now. I remember better days on the playground, hoping I can find my way. Even when I'm feeling down, I fight. Even when I don't know what is right, I'ma pick a side and I'ma take pride. I will decide my fate and I will never let them tell me who I am. If you try to shape me, I'll be damned. Planet on the ground is where I stand. Never give up, that was always the plan. It's so cold outside, I'm alone, I'm alright. It's so cold outside, I'm alone, I'm alright. It's so cold outside. You can see the writing on the pavement. Young kids, they're growing up in basements. Online, a whole new generation. I'ma make mine, so you better go take it. Always, they need a new replacement. Decentralized, can't contain it. We're changing lives, yeah, upgrading. Call it suicide of the older generation. What keeps you up at night, yeah? Make all the demons quiet, yeah. We were built to thrive, yeah. I think that we've all had enough. What keeps you up at night, yeah? Make all the demons quiet, yeah. We were built to thrive, yeah. I think that we've all had enough. Oh, yeah, I think that we've all had enough. Sick of dealing with the old plan. They know that we're calling it wrong. You gotta come around. I yearn for the days when I see your face, you before me. I long for the times you held me in your arms. Whoa. How I wish that you were here to give me everything I want. But I know that life's unfair and we can't always have it all. Whoa, whoa, I wish that you were here. Whoa, whoa, I wish that you were here. 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 There's not a single day that passes, not even 1 minute can end up. I yearn for the days when I see your face, you before me. I yearn for the times you held me in your arms. Whoa. How I wish that you were here.
Ayan mga kalobo, tapos na tayo sa ating maliit na decoration. Sobrang low budget kasi to. So, ayan, satisfied na naman natin yung gusto ng clients. So, guys, kung bago pa kayo sa channel na to guys, please subscribe my YouTube channel. Ayan, pindutin lang yung bell button dyan. Piliin lang yung all para lagi kayong updated sa mga iba pa kong mga vlog na i-upload natin. Ayan. So maraming salamat po sa inyong panonood. Ayan, salamat sa suporta. Ayan, nice ko po lang i-shout out yung kaibigan ko dyan na si KN Kitchen at si My Loves 47 Vlog. Ayan, si Jinsan Boy. Ayan, shout out sa inyo. At ayan, kay Mark Buhulano, shout out sa iyo, bro. Ayan. So hanggang dito na lang guys yung ating peace out.